Do you know what really separates smart entrepreneurs from everyone else? It's not how much money they make, it's how well they manage how much they owe. There's one rule that smart entrepreneurs can't afford to break, and that is the 20% tax rule. I know when you think 20% taxes, you think that you're paying more taxes. But really, it's about never getting blindsided how much you have to pay in taxes. Because let's be honest, if you don't plan for taxes, you'll never keep what you earn, no matter how hard you work. Segment number 1. What does the 20% tax rule mean? Every financially disciplined person, from a small business owner to millionaires, live by this one rule: pay your future first. That means 20% of every dollar that you earn is put towards your taxes and reinvesting into your business before you spend a dollar. So why 20%? That's because the IRS does not care when your invoice get paid. They care when your taxes are due. Setting money aside automatically puts you in control of your cash flow, not the other way around. It's not just a buffer, it's a mindset. So you should plan like a business, not like a paycheck, because you can't build freedom with surprise bills. Now, here's where things get interesting. Smart entrepreneurs don't just know this rule, they use it differently. Let me show you how they apply the 20% rule to build wealth on autopilot. Segment 2, how smart entrepreneurs apply the 20% tax rule. Okay, in 3 steps, I am going to break down how smart entrepreneurs use this simple rule to plan their money with intention. Step number 1, separate, don't guess. Smart entrepreneurs keep a separate high yield savings account or a brokerage account labeled tax. They automate transfers into this account every time they get paid. Step number 2, percentages, not panic. Remember when I said every financially disciplined person, from small business owner to millionaire, lives by one rule, and that is pay yourself first, right? That means setting aside 20% of every dollar that comes in for taxes and for reinvesting into your business before you even spend it. Because smart entrepreneurs do not wait until April to figure out how much money they owe, they're doing it all along. So there's no panic. Let's break this down a little bit more. If you're building a pot and putting money into a tax account every time you get paid, when federal taxes come around quarterly, then you have the money to pay them. Or if you're paying your taxes through payroll withdrawals, then you're paying your taxes. That's the federal side. The state side, most states follow the same pattern. They have quarterly estimated taxes, or they have automated withdrawal through their payroll. So if you have money in this tax account and, money is being deducted from it because it's automated, key is automation. These payments are scheduled and consistent, so there is no surprise when tax season hits. Just control and peace of mind. All right, and last but not least, number 3, pay yourself next. After you've paid your taxes, smart entrepreneurs pay their future selves through savings, investments, and retirement accounts. Then, and only then, do they spend their money on their lifestyle. Here's the formula made simple: taxes, investments, lifestyle. This is how they stay consistent, grow their wealth, and avoid lifestyle creeps that will trap them. And that is where a lot of people get stuck. They get stuck in that lifestyle creep. Most people budget for fun, like vacations or weddings, and then pray that there's enough left over for taxes. Smart entrepreneurs do the opposite. They budget for taxes first, reinvest in themselves or their business, and then create room for the fun. And that's the mindset difference. They plan, not panic. When you control where your money goes, you control your freedom. Segment 3, the psychology of preparation. When you plan for what's coming, money stops being emotional and starts being strategic. This rule turns unpredictable income into predictable peace of mind, because when you know your taxes are covered, your brain stops living in survival mode. You think different. You negotiate from confidence, not scarcity. You invest without hesitation, and you rest without guilt. Stress doesn't come from spending, it comes from uncertainty. The 20% rule removes both. It gives your money a mission before chaos can create one for you. If you don't hear anything else today, hear this. Preparation is peace, and peace is profit. Segment 4, how to start using the rule. I'm going to give you a quick and fast 4-step guide on how to start using this rule. Are you ready? Let's go. Step number 1, open a separate account. Call it your tax vault. Deposit about 15% of your first earnings here. Step number 2, automated transfers. Use your bank or a bookkeeping software, something like QuickBooks, to automate your transfers. There's no emotion and there's no hesitation. Step number 3, review quarterly. Just like businesses do, adjust your percentages as your income grows. Step number 4, reinvest the overflow. If you saved more than you owe, keep it for next year or reinvest the difference in an index fund or equipment or education. Final thoughts. You don't need millionaire money. You need millionaire habits. Start with a plan, not a paycheck. The 20% rule isn't glamorous, but neither is owing the IRS. Every successful entrepreneur I've worked with has mastered this one principle. They protect their money so they can multiply it. If you are ready to be categorized as a smart entrepreneur, check out my entrepreneur playlist. It's packed with step-by-step videos to help you build wealth the smart way. And don't forget to subscribe. I post weekly breakdowns that make money sound simple, strategic, and sustainable. Remember, plans create peace. I'm Sabrina Michelle. See you next time. Bye.